Welcome to Las Vegas Real Estate Now, where we believe in the 3 E's: educate, empower, and engage. I'm your host, Harvey Blankfeld of the Brown Blankfeld Group, selling homes in Southern Nevada since 1988. To bring you the 3 E's, we not only share our experience and knowledge, but that of our expert contributors. We are very proud to be part of the Real Estate Radio Network. Like them, we are dedicated to delivering timely, balanced truths on market conditions. Please stay tuned. We'll be back in just a moment. In studio with us, we have Kari Phillips and Rowe Nelson of Southern Fidelity Mortgage. Kari is an MBA and Rowe is the owner. Welcome, guys.
Thanks for having us again.
Thank you.
We are so glad to have you guys back, and today I want to talk a little bit about VA loans. First of all, we love doing VA deals. We love doing deals for our military guys. What's the benefit of a VA loan?
Essentially, you can put 0% down, great rates, no private mortgage insurance. It's also a little bit more lenient in guidelines, so they go all the way down to a 580 mid-FICO score,
Wow.
which most programs make you go up to a 620. So a little bit more lenient, no prepayment penalties on loans. These people deserve it, so you got to give the best. It is the best loan out there.
But a VA loan is for owner-occupant only.
Owner-occupant only. You got to have that as a primary residence for at least 12 months.
And can I be a veteran and me and my dad buy a house?
No, the only people that can be on the mortgage is the person with the VA benefit, somebody that's worked in the military, been in the military, working there now, deployed in National Guard. And that VA person can go on the loan along with their spouse. It's got to be a spouse.
A client I had said to me, I thought I could get a VA loan and then I found out I couldn't because I wasn't in long enough.
Yeah, there are time periods that you have to be in the military. Give me a call and I can actually pull up your VA certification for you to let you know if you're eligible or not.
Oh, that's great.
And it doesn't cost anything to do that.
Rowe, I wanted to ask you a little bit about appraisals. You want to talk a little bit about appraisals, the basic requirements.
The home has to be, in living condition. The appraiser is going to look for a fully functional kitchen. Pretty much that's it, as long as it's habitable.
Yeah, so sometimes the appraiser will give you a value, but then he'll say, I'll give you this value, but first you've got to fix that before we can bring your value in.
Absolutely.
Shelley, you were certified as an appraiser at one point.
A brief moment in my life, yes.
Yes. So would they consider the proximity before they would the type of deal? In other words, a home in the same subdivision?
I think the rules have changed over the years, but, and people need to know, an appraisal is an opinion based on fact. They'll want something that's sold within the last 3 months. They want a model match, which means it's the exact same square footage as the house that they're comparing it to. And I think the guidelines over time have tightened and loosened as the market changes. And I do want to ask Rowe, what's the process? How do I get to say, I want Joe Smith, I know he's a VA appraiser, to do my appraisal? Can I do that as a buyer?
Actually, you're not allowed to pick your appraiser. We have a panel of appraisers, very well qualified, educated appraisers, and it's actually done on a rotation basis. So you don't really know which appraiser you're going to get, but what we do know is you're going to get a good qualified appraiser.
Right, so it keeps it fair so nobody can think that something was done kind of hinky on the deal.
Absolutely.
Kari, May is an important month for Southern Fidelity Mortgage and your VA programs, is it not?
We are going to be giving a lender credit for $1,685 for any VA contract that is brought into Southern Fidelity Mortgage in the month of May. It may be extended to June, but which I can see it totally doing. But we want to save them money, and that's our small way of saying thanks to them.
That's awesome. That's terrific.
That's a great deal.
That's outstanding. Kari, you and I have done a lot of VA deals together.
Yep, we have.
And I know that I feel the same pride that you do when we do that. Serving those that serve. I mean, we love doing that.
It doesn't feel any better than closing a loan for
Absolutely.
a gentleman that comes back from being deployed and now he gets to join his wife and they get to live in the house. Thanks for listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Please tune in every week and help us heal the Southern Nevada market one home at a time.